my friendship with Kira, very genuine. Meaning ko.
Yes.
Very, she's a very sweet person and parang mas nakilala ko talaga siya while being inside the house. And yeah, we got really close inside and yeah.
How close?
Nagkaroon kayo ng konting alitan.
Oh!
Alitan o misunderstanding ni Vince. So,
kabady natin
Oo,
sa tree.
oo.
Oo.
oo. Huwag ka mag-alala, pare. Okay lang. Okay
Oo,
lang.
okay lang. Okay lang.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Hanggang ngayon, parang ang sakit pa rin sa feeling. I don't know, I don't know why.
Medyo na blindside ganun.
Oo. I didn't know. Parang nasaktan ako kasi parang he used it against me.
Yeah.
Siyempre, nalabas ko yung kulit ko. I was being myself and then,
Wow! Relax lang.
being, I don't know,
Ah.
it's just hard. Kasi I was giving myself mas inopen ko yung sarili ko tapos wala. Bigla akong
Ikaw, gusto ko lang na i-ask kasi alam ko na parang there are people commenting on your post na ikaw na ginagamit mo si Esnir for clout, ganyan-ganyan.
Wow.
So what would you...
Ganon?
Yeah!
Para sa akin, di naman kami ni Esnir yung highlight dun eh. It's about these people na tinulungan kaming dalawa. What's up mga ka-triggered? And welcome to another episode of Triggered! Yes! Di natin papatagalin pa, nakikita nyo na yung katabi namin. Ito na, ang survivor lad ng United Kingdom. Let us all welcome Josh Ford, mga kamuso!
Hello. Good day to all of you. And thank you for inviting me here.
Grabe! Grabe, ganun agad.
Pleasure is
Labanan mo nga,
ours.
labanan mo nga. May entry din kami.
Okay, next na.
Okay. So, syempre, kamustahin ka muna namin. Kamusta naman yung experience mo sa bahay ni Kuya? And how is it now na nakalabas ka na?
Grabe, as in, when I was inside, parang roller coaster talaga yung emotions mo doon. Everything's heightened while you're inside. But now, syempre, I'm still adjusting kasi yung puso't isip ko before the wild card, ayoko munang ilagay sa outside world. Gusto ko na doon pa rin ako sa loob ng bahay. But if I go in, hindi naman ako unfair. I want to be fair with everyone if ever I do go back in. But now, after the wild card, I am, still adjusting here sa outside world. So,
Pretty fresh.
Pero super
still
fresh
fresh.
ba? Kumpara mo sa time mo sa loob. Kasi sa loob, kita ko parang 2 months ka halos sa bahay eh.
halos, 2 months.
Ang tagal din ha?
Oo.
Grabe.
Napansin mo ba yung 2 months na yun sa time na yun?
Ako for me, may mga days kami sa loob na sobrang bagal. Kung wala kang ginagawa, walang task, as in just sitting down and yun yung matagal na araw. Pero pag may task, mabilis naman. But it felt longer than 2 months, I'll be honest.
For you?
Oo, it felt longer for me. Kala ko paglabas ko, hindi ko mga June ata or something.
Oh my God.
2026 na.
Yeah.
Ganun. Sige, since we're talking about the house na. Kasi marami kayong mga tanong tungkol sa bahay.
Yeah.
Oo, may mga syempre di namin alam yung experience sa loob. So, eto na, itatanong na namin sa'yo. Sabi mo nga, Tol, ito may question ako, na super heightened ng everything. Nakita ko yung exit nyo, super emotional.
Yeah.
Actually, even the past exits, pinanood ko rin yung kay Michael. Parang tindi nung iyak ni Michael, nag-breakdown siya dun sa harap ng bahay ni Kuya. Tanong ko lang, talaga bang ganun yung experience sa loob? Or, kasi ako, as me, pinapanood ko parang, talaga ba? Parang 2 weeks kayo magkasama, tapos parang grabe yung hugot ng pag may nomination and eviction. So, legit ba yun? Legit ba
Ay,
yun?
as in legit talaga yan. I'll be honest with you, bro. As in sa simula, kala ko rin na parang, wait, may iyak kaya ako pag may na-evict, pag may na-nominate, may iyak ka talaga. Kasi that's, when you're inside, yun yung mundo mo eh. We were in like our own aquarium. Parang kami lang nakikita-kita every day and I always see them every morning, every night. Kaya parang naging family and parang kami na lang yung tao sa mundo. And as soon as, pag may na-evict talaga, as in, malulungkot ka talaga kasi you really got close to them and masakit lang kasi when they leave, parang may nawawala talaga sa buhay mo.
Parang may namatay, gano'n.
Parang ganun. Kaya it's a really weird feeling. I never thought I'd feel it, but naramdaman ko yung sa loob.
Yeah, I have a question. What was the hardest thing to adjust once you got in there na? Kasi syempre, like, super sanay ka na sa outside world. You have access to everything pretty much. And
Buhay
then
mo na sa outside world ka.
Yeah. And then when you got in there, syempre restricted na, ganito, ganyan. So what was the hardest part for you there?
Siguro the hardest part for me is I'm sure marami nagsasabi yung phone. Pero ako sobrang nadalian ako na walang phone. I really like that, na walang stress.
Oh,
Yeah.
di ka masokmed
Promise, legit. Oh, hindi ako masokmed eh. Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa electronics. I just rather,
Same.
just, live the world, look at the world. Kaya ngayon, ayun, so sokmed na ako ngayon, syempre.
Yes.
But hardest thing to adjust is probably at the start for me to open up talaga. Kasi when you go in, you're in a house full of strangers.
Yeah.
But you'll come out as a family. Kaya doon ako naging happy. Pero doon ako nahirapan sa simula to open up. Kaya ayun nga, our first task talaga with Mavi, that's when I was like, you know what? I don't want to be unfair to these people. I want to open up and be vulnerable in front of them. Kasi kami na lang yung magkakasama eh.
Yeah.
So, ayun, that was one thing I found hard na to open up about how I feel sa mga pinagdaanan ko. That's one thing I had to adjust to. Because I never spoke about anything that was happening with my life before. Doon ko lang talaga nakwento. I'm sure doon lang nakita ng family ko yung mga tinatago ko sa sarili ko. Kaya I'm happy and thankful na I was able to have this experience kasi I can finally open up. Kaya it's a nice feeling, and yeah, I'm blessed to have it.
What were you scared of when you got in?
Oof.
yung nasa isip mo na parang, takot ako na ganito,
mangyari to,
ganyan.
nasa loob ako.
Pag sa loob?
Yeah.
Or takot ako kung ano may iwan ko sa labas?
Kahit
Kahit
pwede
pwede
both.
Sige, hindi. Siyempre siguro, natatakot ako, of course, to what was gonna happen to my family. Kamusta sila? I always thought about kung okay lang ba sila. Sana wala silang sakit. Sana they're all doing okay. Lahat ng mga loved ones ko. Siyempre, tax. Doon ako natakot.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, wait, kailangan ko muna ayusin to before. And naayos naman lahat, luckily. And while I was inside, ano ba yung kinatakutan ko? Parang wala naman. I just wanted to be open with everyone. Parang pumasok ako without any game plan. I just wanted to be me and pakilala ko lang kung sino talaga si Josh Ford sa kanilang lahat.
Got it.
So yeah.
Was PBB something that you really wanted to be in? Kasi meron nga parang like, let's say for example, parang si Michael before nakasama ko na siya na mag-audition din ng PBB. Hindi pa kami Sparkle or Sparkada, ganon. So parang kita mo din sa kanya na gusto niya na.
Dream
like,
niya
parang
talaga yun.
Dream
Michael.
niya talaga ever since. So parang ikaw ba, was it, and there are some din na, hindi ko naman yun naisip, hindi ko naman gusto, pero ayan, parang si Ate Bianca Gonzalez, parang she made mention na ayaw niya, pero pinush lang talaga siya. So, how was it for you? Was it something that you really wanted or no?
Ako ever since I was a kid, I always wanted to be in PBB talaga. As in, nung bata pa lang ako, when I was still young, and I was in Otwal before. As in, ayun talaga yung, sabi ko, alam mo, Dad, Mom, soon, I'm gonna be on PBB.
At na-manifest mo yun!
At na-manifest ko. So,
Nakaiba ka doon! Grabe!
Natuwa ako nun, nung nalaman ko yun. As in, kaya, grateful
Paano
talaga.
mo minanifest?
Ano yung mga ginawa?
Anong ginawa mo? Oo.
Nag-alay ka ba?
Oo. Nang malaman ko.
Paano?
Okay.
Ay, talaga ba? Hindi. Siyempre, manifest.
Inisip niya lang.
Hindi. Siyempre, I always prayed for it. When I had the chance to, nung nalaman kong pwede akong makapasok, grabe gulat ko nun. So, siyempre, kapuso tayo. And I was like, wow, there's a chance for me to get in. Oh, hindi ko bibitawan to. So, siyempre, I prayed and I just, every process, throughout the process, I just, ako na. Whatever happens, I know it'll happen for a reason naman. Kaya, thankful naman ako na ako yung napili na maging housemate sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
We're happy for you.
Oo,
Yeah,
man.
thank you.
Oh,
We're
man.
really happy for you.
So ngayon na natupad na yung dream mo na makapasok, tapos ngayon nakalabas ka na. So ano naman yung mga namimiss mo na sa loob ngayon? Na ngayon na nasa labas ka na parang, namiss ko yung gano'n namin dun sa loob. Parang, mga ba bagay?
Charot lang. Charot lang.
Namiss ko talaga sa loob. Of course, being with everybody. Kasi nakasanayan ko na every time I wake up in the morning, sila yung nakikita ko, sila yung nakakasama ko. Whenever we do our tasks, I don't know, ako kasi I really like getting to know people. I'm very sociable. And I love listening to each person's stories. Kasi lahat naman tayo may kwento, lahat naman tayo may pinagdadaanan. Kaya I'm so happy na, that's one thing I really miss. Getting to know each and every one of them more.
Gets.
So, yeah.
I have a question.
Go.
Ano?
Plenty.
Yes.
Yeah.
She has plenty
Go lang,
questions.
go lang.
Curious talaga ako eh. Because like, paano yung di ba parang matutulog kayo?
Mm.
Do you get enough sleep ba? Kasi di ba ginigising lang kayo? Or
May wake up
parang,
call.
Oo, paano yun?
Ako hindi ko alam kung how long we sleep for. And I don't know what time we sleep. Siguro feeling ko mga 10 to midnight either. Around that time. And when we wake up around 7 or 8. Depende talaga
pwede
sa sun
na.
Binabase lang namin kasi hindi talaga namin alam kung anong oras na.
Oh.
Pero malalaman mo naman, let's say matutulog ka na, kailangan, if it's sleep call, you have to sleep na talaga. Even though there's still lights on, you have to sleep. Like, I mean, di naman have to, but pag wala ka na lapel, baka na makipag-usap sa iba eh. So, you have to force yourself to sleep. And when you wake up and you feel tired, then baka maikli lang yung tulog. Hindi ko talaga alam actually.
Okay.
Hindi mo na napapansin?
Hindi ko napapansin kung
Because you
how...
have no clock. Like,
Yeah,
you have
no
no
clock.
sense of time
Wala
except
talaga.
for seeing the sunrise and
Yeah.
fall.
Oo.
Kind of.
Oh, at least
Binabasa
naman
naman
may
doon.
konti kayong sunlight na
Buti nga
maarawan.
may garden eh.
At least man
Oo.
lang.
Buti may pool. I'm like, kung walang ganun, hirap nun. Hindi ko nakita
May ventilation at
Oo.
some point, gano'n.
Yeah.
Tingin-tingin ka gano'n.
Sa labas.
Lord!
every morning, as in, I just really like looking at, the sky.
Yes.
Para lang magka-sense ka ulit sa outside.
Makita mo yung mga ibon, wow.
Parang nasa kulungan.
Minsan kami dumadaan na helicopter eh.
May helicopter.
Oo, sabi, uy,
Baka
helicopter.
pwede kunin nyo na ako!
Parang nasa commercial ng Boysen dati.
Ayun.
May small window
Oo,
lang.
yung small window sa tingin-tingin lang siya. Tagal ko pa dito, one more day. Kasi
Ay!
ulat sa pader.
Oo nga, buti wala sa inyo gumagano.
Bawal yun.
Bawal
As a
yun.
rule, you can't,
Can't write anything?
Can't write anything. Parang kasi baka may secret kayo ilagay. So,
Alright.
and bawal magsulat.
Mm-mm.
On anywhere.
Alright.
Ito, since balik ko lang dun sa mga sinabi mo kanina na you love na talking to people, ganun. So yun yung time na nag-share ka. Ayoko na balikan yung shinare mo. Parang ang bigat nun eh. Tsaka ilang beses mo na sinabi. Pero sa mga housemates naman, kanino ka nagulat na, may ganito pala siyang kwento. Ganito pala yung kwento niya na
life
nakilala mo, nalaman mo yung kwento niya na parang nagulat ka na di mo in-expect.
Oh. I mean, almost all of them talaga.
All of
I
them.
really wanted to get to know everyone. And grabe yung hirap nun. Kasi parang pinipresent namin yung sarili namin to everyone. Let's say I'll be standing there, tapos lagi nakaupo lang na ganun. Tapos bear in mind, hindi pa kami close ito.
That was
We're all
first.
strangers pa lang. Kaya syempre,
Yeah.
sa simula, as in sobrang kabado, nanginginig pa ako nun eh. But with everyone's story, I really got close to them talaga. Everyone's story. I had a very similar story with Ate Ivana, with her dad. I think that's one thing na I remember. Kasi doon kami naging mas close ni Ate Ivana because of what happened with both of our dads. And I mean, with everyone's story, grabe. As in, ramdam mo talaga yung mga pinagdadaanan nila. Kaya I'm so thankful na I was there to listen to their stories.
Grabe na icebreaker yun eh. Na strangers pa lang.
grabe,
It's
icebreaker
biglang-
nun.
Ano
Hindi ko
na
makakalimutan. Grabe yun, bro.
Parang naka-speed boost yung ano niya eh. No? Yung naka-sports
Straight
mode
into
yung
the
friendship
deep
niyo.
end.
But you know what they say? Sometimes it's nicer to open up to strangers than people you
That's facts.
already know. Kasi parang, alam mo yun, less of judgment.
Yeah.
Like if they could judge based from what you said lang.
Yeah.
So the control is still within you.
Tsaka wala
You
silang
know?
preconceived notion about you.
Yeah.
Walang anything. Wala pa silang naririnig about you.
Oo.
Kung sino ka man.
Pero tama yun ah. It's nice to open up to actually strangers. Kaya let's say, nakatambay ka lang somewhere, may katabi ka, just open up to them kasi hindi ka naman nila kilala eh. Yeah. Hindi, legit. Ako nagawa ko yun before once.
Oo.
In the UK.
Really?
Yeah, bro. In the UK, some random dude na katabi ko. So bilang kinausap niya lang ako and I was like, you know what? Open up na ako. Try ko lang. Kasi I opened up and para mas naging okay ako. Tapos wala, never na kami nagkita.
See?
Dala-dala nyo na lang yun.
So
Yeah.
much better. Kaysa mga kaibigan mo,
Ang galing ng human beings. Bro.
ganyan ka naman eh. Kasi ganito, ganyan eh. Para ka ring tanga eh. Diba? Ganun din yung mga
Talaga eh.
kaibigan mo. So parang ikaw din, sige, wag na lang. Ikaw na lang. Wag, sige na. Close up na lang. Ay, close up.
Baka naman.
Baka naman, okay.
Pero yun nga,
Anyways.
after nyo nag-share, yun nga sabi
Oo.
mo na, mas nakilala mo sila, nag-build ka ng relationship with them. Ito naman may gusto akong i-highlight na friendship mo, na talaga namang, sino ba yan ng mga kapuso at
Si
mga
Kira ba
kapamilya
to?
natin? Yes! Ang friendship
Oh
ni
my
Josh kay
gosh!
Kira. Grabe.
Nako.
So, kamusta naman yung friendship nyo ni Kira, pare?
Yes!
Parang hindi ako na brief dito ah. But
Nagulat ka ba,
Nagulat ako
pare?
dito ah. Hindi, joke lang. My friendship with Kira, very genuine. Aminin ko.
Yes.
She's a very sweet person and parang mas nakilala ko talaga siya while being inside the house. And we got really close inside and yeah.
How close? Charot lang. Charot.
Gana ka close.
Aw.
No, but we got close naman.
Yes.
So, ano namang feeling na nung lumabas mo, biglang nakikita mo, ang dami yung edit sa TikTok, may mga fan page na
thank
kayo.
you.
Nung, di ba, nung lumabas ka, pare, may mga tarpaulin sila dun sa love team nyo. Tapos parang,
Grabe.
di ba, tinuro stuff. So, kamusta? Kamusta yung feeling na
Nagbablush si
nakita mo
Josh
biglang,
eh.
ala,
Alam mo-
ano pala
Ay,
kami?
hindi naman.
Ah,
Hindi. Paglabas ko as in, syempre I was still in shock eh. Hindi ako makinga and I was like still crying. And then when we went back inside and then we went out again, doon ko na nakita talaga lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin. As soon as I got out, una-una ko talaga nakita baby photos namin ni Kira. Tapos nakadikit.
Cute!
Tapos nakadikit kami dalawa sa isa't isa. I was like, wait, ako yan ah. Kasi before I didn't really get that amount of support talaga. Kaya nung paglabas ko, I was so surprised to see the love they were giving me. And I saw, Team Kish, mga Team
Yeah.
Koshis, mga zombies ko, di ba? I really liked it kasi I didn't expect it eh.
Yeah.
I didn't expect it talaga. So when I got out to see both of our faces on a tarpaulin, I was like, wow. Grabe.
Biglang ganito pala yung epekto sa inyo, guys. Ha? Parang ganun.
Tapos siniship pala kami ni Kira. I was like, oh.
You're so giddy.
Ay, kaya nga eh. Grabe, ang taos ng ngiti eh, no?
I think you fancy.
Masungit na lang ako.
Masungit na lang ako.
Masungit na lang tayo.
Pero ngayon na nakalabas na kayo, nag-usap na ba kayo ni Kira about it? About this whole love team?
Oh,
Kayo,
yeah.
have you talked about
No,
it?
we were, kasi syempre the day after nakita kami. Kasi we got a call back para sa wildcard.
Wildcard.
Para sa wildcard. Kaya nakita kami kagad. And then, syempre napag-usapan namin how happy we are na ganun yung support na binibigay sa amin. And nagulat din kami. And nagulat din siya. Nung paglabas niya, parang nata niya daw kami dalawa rin. The same board, I think. The same illustration board. Na kami dalawa magkadikit. And she was like, so surprised. Kasi syempre, hindi na naman namin in-expect yun paglabas. Kaya we were both very surprised and both, looking forward to what's going to happen with this.
Oh, sana naman, magtuloy-tuloy yung mga
For sure.
Kish fans.
Yeah.
And sana may work din kayo together. Ganun.
Ay nga,
Wishing you,
Sana, bro.
wishing you more work.
Supportahan
pare.
natin sila.
Yeah.
Oo, sa inyo dalawa.
Thank
Ito,
you.
isa pa. May nagsabi na namimiss ka na daw niya. Sabi ni Cyril, namimiss ka na daw niya. Mukhang close na close kayo ni Sai.
Oh, wow.
So, ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa kanya? And kwento mo naman kami ng konti ng relationship niya naman ni Cyril.
Sige, with me and Sai. So, pumasok sila Sai and Shubes. Paglabas ni Kira and Charlie. And when Kira and Charlie got out, I was really heartbroken. As in, sobrang lungkot ko. Kasi sila yung mga naging close ko talaga sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Sila yung pinupuntahan ko kung may problema ako. Kung gusto ko makipagkulitan, sila rin yung pupuntahan ko. Kaya when they left, I was really, really upset. And then, yun nga, pumasok na sila Sai. And at first, I was like, whoa, Sai's energy is crazy. I was like, who's Cyril man na ba to? She came in so energetic. She was so like jolly. And I was like, whoa, ang taas ng energy. And then, when the days got by, went by, bigla kami nag-usap on the couch. And wow, nung nag-usap kami after that, she told me about her story. And she told me how she appreciated my story. Kasi apparently she's heard my story na daw. Parang, ang sarap sa feeling nun na nakikita niya ako. Kaya I was like, wow, that's really nice of Sai. And then after that, din kami mas naging close. Nakilala ko na yung buhay niya dito. And we built this very good friendship talaga, me and Sai. Kaya when I found out na naapektuhan siya sa message na binigay ko, sobrang bait talaga ni Sai. And she's such a genuine girl, as in. And solid nun. That's my tol, yo. That's my
Yeah.
tol. Tol's tawag na.
Tol si Sai.
Si Sai, si tol.
Actually, yung story ni Cyril, parang hindi ko rin in-expect na ganun pala siya, na parang alam mo, hindi na siya nakaka-save up pala all through her life of like working. And parang, di ba syempre Cyril manabat na siya, akalain mo, di ba? Na parang, pero yun pala yung pinagdaanan niya. So,
Dun kami naging sobrang close. Parang we had like a similarity talaga.
Yeah.
And I was like, wow. Siyempre, isipin na natin, siyempre, Cyril manabat na, di ba?
yeah, child star.
She's up there na.
Oo.
When you get to know her, she's like, okay. May mga pinagdadaanan din siya. Kaya really, sobrang bait ni Sai. Solid yun. Nag-basketball nga rin yun eh.
talaga.
Yung sa task namin, siya yung na-assist madalas.
Shooter
eh.
sa ba?
Shooter.
Goes to show how you really don't know people. Parang
Oh, yeah.
you really don't know what they are going through
Yeah.
behind the screen.
Exactly.
Kanya-kanya ng kwento talaga.
And I guess maganda din tong PBB kasi it shows na kahit mga artista,
Tao rin.
tao rin talaga eh. They're also like human going through something at may pinagdaanan din sila before. So I guess maganda itong leksyon din sa ibang yung mga viewers and audiences na okay, they're also human
Yeah, they're also
beings.
humans.
Oo.
Hindi
Para
human is-
take it
reachable
slow,
din pala
be
tayo.
kind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, ito pa, isa pa nga sa naganap dun sa loob, eto na nga, pag-uusapan natin. Nakita namin sa TikTok na nagkaroon kayo ng konting alitan. Oo, alitan o misunderstanding ni Vince. So,
Kabady natin
Oo,
sa
oo,
tree.
oo.
Oo.
oo,
Mga
huwag ka mag-alala pare, okay lang.
Oo, okay lang. Okay lang.
Okay lang. So, kamusta naman yung ano na yun, yung interaction na yun, what happened, and yeah. How was it?
I mean, you're all Vince's friends, so I know you know who he is naman.
Mm.
He's a good guy naman, and nasaktan lang talaga ako sa nangyari. Meaning ko. Kasi I gave him the benefit of the doubt before, when he was there na. Pero, nung first night pa lang, I'm sure you guys know, nung mga sinabi niya sa akin na, parang, ba't parang hindi ka masaya nandito ako? Nasaktan ako nun syempre, kasi kakapasok niya lang, tas yun yung unang sasabihin niya sa akin. And then he was telling me that it's a joke lang. Kaya, dun ako parang, wait, ba't niya dinala to dito?
Okay.
Dun ako na parang nasaktan. And then, when our issue happened, in the boys' room, nasaktan ako kasi, actually, I don't know if you guys know about this, pero nasaktan ako kasi, when we were both inside that room, the day before that, magkasama kami sa garden, sa may pool lounge area. Buddy-buddy na kami. I really liked Vince. Naging close na ako. Sabi ko,
Okay
okay kami ni Vince.
Okay
pala to. He's a good guy. And kinukulit niya ako. Sinasabi niya, bro, ilabas mo pa yung kulit mo para makakuha ko ng energy sa'yo. He said that to me. Naalala ko talaga yun. So, syempre, parang naging komportable na ako. Si Vince, kinukulit na ako. Parang, bro, labas mo na yung kulit mo para makakuha ko ng energy sa'yo. That's the exact thing he told me. So, I was like, okay, labas ko yung kulit ko. And then the next day, he does that. So,
Okay.
hanggang ngayon, parang, ang sakit pa rin sa feeling. I don't know, I don't know why.
Medyo na blindside ganun.
Oo. I didn't know. Parang nasaktan ako kasi parang he used it against me.
Yeah.
Siyempre, nilabas ko yung kulit ko. I was being myself and then,
Wow! Relax.
being, I don't know,
Ah.
it's just hard. Kasi I was giving myself mas, ino-open ko yung sarili ko tapos wala. Bigla akong,
And you didn't get the opportunity to patch things up before you left.
I mean, we tried to. We really wanted to get to know each other. Inamin ko rin sa sarili ko. I validated his feelings. I said I'm sorry. Kung nasaktan siya, syempre ayoko naman i-invalidate yung feelings niya. So when that happened, we tried talking, but I don't know. Hindi ko na masyadong nararamdaman
Okay.
what we were.
Oo.
Like as we're talking to you, I can feel you.
Yeah.
But what happened with us after that? Parang hindi na. I thought magkakaroon ng effort to get to know me again, but I don't know. It just went in a different way. But I'm open up. Of course, I'm open to getting to know him more. Gusto ko magkaayos na. Para
Yeah, maybe in the
maybe
wala
in the
na-
future.
oo,
And
wala na-
it doesn't mean that you're a bad guy. Or it doesn't mean that
Yeah.
Vince is a bad guy.
Yeah.
Parang naging resulta lang din ng kung nasan kayo, yung instance na yun.
Yeah.
Na nasa loob kayo ng bahay ni Kuya, sabi mo nga the environment is very different as well.
Mm.
And tsaka syempre yung kumbaga yung alitan nyo rin
Yeah.
parang pwede namang maayos din in the
Yung-
future. It doesn't mean naman na
Surely.
kailangan maging body kayo or
Yeah.
something.
Oo.
Pero okay lang, mapag-uusapan naman.
Oo, mapag-uusapan naman yun for
Mm-mm.
sure. And we've spoken about it inside naman, He said
Oo.
sorry, he said he's sorry sa nangyari. Kasi after nun, yung task pa namin, yung tahimik kaming lahat.
Yeah.
So, grabe
Which was
hirap.
bad timing
bad
talaga.
Bad timing. And as in, ang dami ko yung naisip na parang, wait, hala, ano
Mabigat
nangyayari?
kasi sa
Ang bigat
feeling
sa
na
feeling.
meron kang hindi okay 100%.
I always want to really, get to know people talaga and be friends. And I really liked him naman before, of course.
Yeah.
Kaya ako, I'm sure, we're gonna be okay naman after. Pero if hindi, syempre, hindi ko naman pipilitin sarili ko pag ayaw.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, can't force ourselves
Tsaka,
into something that
araw-araw
we're not
kayo
supposed to be in.
Nasa bahay. Sa bahay
Oo.
nga, nakakaaway mo yung nanay mo.
Correct.
Magkakaroon talaga ng alitan. And okay lang yun. Okay lang.
Let's
Or
pray
paminsan
for
di
that.
kayo tugma, okay lang yun.
Let's pray
That's
for
fine.
that.
Yeah. And
Okay.
kasi nga it's a simulated environment. So you can't really trust everything kasi Wala, kayo lang yung
Heightened
nagkakitaan.
yung
Everything
lahat
is heightened.
Oo.
So I feel like it will be easier to have a conversation about it once the both of you are in the outside world
in the
again.
real world.
Yeah, kasi wala na din yung pressure of putting it on for the cameras or the pressure of yung strategizing for the future. Yung mga ganon. It'll be just you as Josh and Vince as Vince.
Nakapagpahinga na kayo.
Mhm.
I'm excited na magiging okay ang lahat. We pray for that.
Wishing well for both of you guys.
Yes.
Pero speaking of friendships na nabuo, punta na tayo sa topic natin talaga for today. Iba pa nating pag-uusapan. Eto na, real friends versus real friends. Totoong kaibigan versus kaibigan.
Plastic, ganon.
Di naman.
Charot.
Pero mga kaibigan natin sa trabaho. Ganon. Kasi tayo, sa trabaho natin, marami tayong nakakasama, marami tayong mga nakaka-work. So, pag-usapan naman natin yung difference nun. So, mahirap nga ba talaga makahanap ng true friends sa showbiz para sa inyo?
I think to make it less
Oo,
parang,
less
to make it more
less negative?
No, I mean to make it more relatable to the public.
Uh-huh.
It's not just showbiz thing. I think 'di ba meron ding term na parang work friend.
Work friends, yeah. So, mahirap ba makahanap ng friends sa trabaho para sa inyo?
I think yes. Kasi kumbaga wala kayo sa mindset na to just make friends. Kasi nandun kayo para magtrabaho. So kumbaga yung priority nyo is your work. So wala masyadong, alam mo yun, like, hey, let's be friends. Yung ganon.
Yeah.
And sometimes kasi hindi naman lahat. Pero minsan kasi talaga may pagka-competitive, ganon, 'di ba? So sometimes yung competition, parang hindi mo na gagamit ng tama, yung mga ganon. So, ayun, I think it's hard, but I'm not saying na never or hindi siya posible mangyari. Oo.
Posible naman talaga. Ako lang din, ang thoughts ko naman na parang sa trabaho kasi, may nabasa rin ako or may napakinggan ako na parang podcast that they were talking about friendship. Parang kumpara kasi dati na when we were in school, lahat tayo kasi yung mga friends mo same kayo ng estado sa life eh. Pagdating mo kasi sa work, parang wala ka na sa environment na conducive to making friends. Iba-iba na kayo, iba-iba na kayo ng age, iba-iba na kayo ng pinagdadaanan. Mahirap nang magtugma. Kaya siguro ang hirap talaga. Hindi lang naman sa trabaho, pero in general, especially pag tapos ka na college, when you're done with school, ang hirap talaga maghanap ng kaibigan. So I think it's not limited to work lang naman. That's for me. How about you guys?
Ako likewise. Well, for me personally, it's very hard for me to make friends because I'm sociable, but it takes a very long time for me to warm up to people. Plus, sometimes the way I speak can be off-putting sometimes. I get that. So yeah, it's hard. It's hard for me. And also, I'm very comfortable with my own company. So it's not something na I parang purposely seek out. But when people try to, kapag ibang tao yung nauuna na to try to make an effort to be friends with me, dun naman I'm able to respond well. Pero yung ako yung nag-initiate, it's very hard for me. Not because I don't want to, but it's just
Nature mo lang.
yeah, it's just not in my nature.
Introvert?
Yes.
Oh.
To ng phone call. Nagka-fake phone
Di yan talaga,
call to.
Yan talaga
nakadikit
mali.
talaga sa
Kasi-
name niya yun.
Oo, kasi
Ah,
hanggang
talaga?
ngayon, windang pa rin ako nung inamin niya yun. Kasi
Before,
kami.
nung sa
Oo.
start pa lang kami as friends,
Oo.
I would leave the group and pretend that I'm on a call for maybe more than 30 minutes just because I don't want to be
Yeah.
not that I don't want to be
yeah.
in their presence, pero parang napapagod ako trying to
Yeah.
talk.
Nauubos yung social
Ah.
battery niya.
Understandable.
Yeah.
Na parang as a friend, sana I knew. Para,
Yeah.
di ba?
I was
Pero
very
ngayon
good at-
nasa point naman na kayo ng friendship na
alam.
kaya nang sabihin.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good mix naman. Extrovert, introvert, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi,
Ambivert ako.
Ambivert,
Yeah.
ambivert.
Yeah.
But you're very energetic eh.
Talaga ba?
Yeah,
Ambivert ka ba?
Ambivert?
Energetic. Oo.
Okay, sige.
Oh, yeah.
Parang hindi.
Big Bird. Okay, charot.
Big Bird.
Okay.
O ikaw, Tol. Para
Ayun.
sa'yo, para sa'yo.
Para sa akin talaga. I mean, of course, totoo nga, may mga work friends and stuff. Pero here with showbiz, I mean, ako kasi I really like getting to know people. You know, I'm very sociable and I love, may ligaw makipagkulitan. Sa lalo na pag nasa set, ganyan. And yes, it's true naman. You're gonna have your work friends na parang nag-uusap lang kayo about work if you're there. But it really depends on who you are as a person rin. Parang if you're open to getting to know them, then it could turn into something real.
Yeah.
Na magkaibigan talaga. And totoo rin naman yung work friends. Pero
Yeah.
everything you talk about is only work-related.
Correct.
Not really personal stuff.
Yeah.
Not really things you don't really tell to, random people.
Yeah. Kasi in this lifetime nga daw, 'di ba? Parang you have set of friends. Kumbaga,
Yeah.
nakaka-categorize siya. Ito yung set of friends mo or group of friends mo that you would tell all your deepest, darkest secrets that they won't judge you. And then, ito yung set of friends na if you wanna just hang out, go out, drink,
Yeah,
yung
yeah.
ganon, may set of friends ka. May set of friends ka rin
Mix
na.
talaga lahat.
Oo, na for work lang, ganon to help you out sa
Yeah.
work. May ganon talaga. So, hindi mo pwedeng i-categorize siya ng isang group lang or isang category lang.
Sa akin din napansin ko lang kasi, lalo na sa work natin. Syempre sa atin, kailangan naging sociable, kailangan kausapin.
Very.
Ito, napansin ko to, lalo na ngayon sa Maka. Napansin ko na parang, ang hirap dalhin nung relationship nyo sa work sa labas. Kahit na gusto mo. Paminsan ang hirap lang na, close tayo sa work, ganun. Tapos pag mag-aayaan na sa labas, parang ang hirap ng dalhin.
Kasi yun yung pag-uusapan nyo eh.
Parang
Yeah.
yun lang talaga paminsan. Paminsan di naman talagang na ayaw mo makipagkaibigan.
Yeah.
Paminsan yung work relationship lang talaga ang hirap ng ilabas na mag-hangout ka na after. Yun lang, ang hirap lang itawid. So, eto naman, may mga binigay silang mga examples of friends na titingnan natin kung may experience tayo with these type of friends.
Okay. Slay! We're excited!
Okay. Ito, una. Ito, Project Pal. Naging close dahil sa taping or project pero wala namang real bond off camera.
Oh.
Meron ako.
Meron ka?
Meron ako. Si sa AOS, yung kami, we were so close at that time. Pero like personal, like outside of work relationship, wala naman. Yung parang ganun, but super close kami pag like nandito sa GMA. Hindi kami naggayaan sa labas. Yung ganun.
Ako meron na rin.
Mm-mm.
Before, yeah. I mean, I cherished it talaga. Sobrang close namin during taping. But outside taping, we don't really chat or anything. Pero tuwing nakikita kami on set, as in, oy bro!
Yeah.
Yo! Kasta? Parang ganun naman, kulitan namin. But, yeah, can't name them.
Yeah.
Pero yeah,
Ikaw.
I've had that experience.
Ako,
na rin.
meron din. Pero, when I really think about it, lahat ng yung masasabi kong nagiging close ko talaga kahit sa work, nagiging close ko din outside. Kasi nga, it takes a while for me to to
Yeah.
build a bond. So, if I make that effort na makaklose kita sa work, most likely, friend talaga kita.
All or nothing ka pala.
Medyo ganun
Walang
yata ako sa
in-between.
friendship. Pero meron naman, there are people na I've gotten close to na yung relationship namin has stayed within the confines of work. Pero for the most part, parang majority ng mga masasabi ko, yung naiisip ko ngayon na kaklose ko na work friend, kaklose ko talaga.
Ako rin naman may Actually, ako yung tipong tao. Di kasi ako Di ako maaya. Ganon. Kung may relationship tayo on set, kung magkita man tayo sa labas, andun pa rin yun. Ganon ako. Di ako yung tipong after ng set or kahit a few days after, tatanungin kita, labas tayo? Di ako ganon na tao.
Pero in person.
Pero in person,
actually,
makita
yeah.
kita. Kahit
Yeah.
na nasa labas man tayo, makita kita sa bar. Utsa, ganito tayo. Kung kahit
yeah,
work,
yeah.
di lang
That's
tayo
nice.
work friends. Okay? Pagkita friends talaga tayo.
Yeah.
Pero sadyang nakikita talaga tayo sa work.
Pero hindi nagte-text.
Oh,
Pero
di
when you see each
nagte-text.
other, yeah.
Oh, ganun ako eh.
Same.
Like, parang, marami mga ganyan na sa work. Tapos magkikita kami, sa labas. Kasi parang, close na lang kami. Ganun.
Yeah.
Siguro personality ko lang din yung ganun.
Yeah.
Pero ito, may friend kayo during the taping or project na, yun nga, wala naman kayong real bond off camera, pero wish nyo na sana nagtuloy.
Ako, oo.
Yeah. Of course.
Ako, oo. Yeah. Would have been so cool.
Ano yung experience na yan?
Magkasama kami sa work. Tapos parang possible talaga, parang 95% possible talaga na maging close kami outside. But hindi ko alam for some reason, hindi nangyayari. Na parang, ang ganda lang sana ng magiging bond namin if nangyari. Yung ganon. Hindi ko na
Ah.
napangalanan. Hindi naman kayo ng pangalan eh.
Wag na.
Oo, wag
Hirap
na
din
lang.
kasi. Hirap din kasi isipin yung pangalan eh.
Mm.
Oh, ikaw.
Ako din meron, but I think the blame is on me maybe. Kasi nga medyo mahina ako mag-reach
I
out.
feel the same way.
I think that
the blame is on me.
If I though friendship is a two-way street, so they could have reached out
Yeah.
to me as well. Pero we've talked about this before na you can't think about friendships like that eh.
Mm-mm.
Kung maisip mo na you should reach out, wag mo na hintayin na, ay, bakit di siya nag-reach out sa akin? Just do it. Just be the first person to do it. So, ayun. I think the blame is on me for dun sa friendship na yun. But it's not too late. Pwede pa
Yeah.
naman.
Ako rin syempre, I really wish na hanggang ngayon, close kami tight, even outside, off cam. Pero I'm the same with you, na parang, we don't text, but whenever we see each other, ganyan kami. We're bros, we're good. Kaya, I do consider them as a friend talaga. But, hindi lang yung friend na nag-text, hindi kami yung friend na nagko-call. Friend kami pag nagkikita kami.
Yeah.
Kaya,
Feeling ko mas ewan ko, baka sexist lang ako. Pero feeling ko mas nag-a-apply yung ganun sa mga lalaki eh. Para sa akin lang Para sa akin lang. Parang andali yung, bro, di ba? Parang mas madali siya kumpara sa, ewan ko lang. Tama ba ako or hindi?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Oh, sige, mali ako. Okay, move on tayo.
Pero yun nga, I'm really happy na, may mga, very different kasi ang mga kaibigan mo babae, mga kaibigan mo lalaki. They're very different. But I think, all the same naman
Yeah.
if you see them.
Ayun, napa-agree na lang tuloy si George.
Kaya nga. Thank you, pare.
And then,
Salamat sa suporta.
Correct.
Ito, yung pangalawa natin. Ito, the showbiz friend. Proven loyal and is present beyond the screen.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Meron.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oo.
Meron.
And I'm so happy na naging close ako sa kanila kasi parang hanggang ngayon, magkaibigan pa rin kami. Even off cam, minsan we go, nag-outing kami and sobrang solid niya.
Yeah.
Tayo, triggered.
Oh.
Triggered family.
Oo.
Oh, parang di kayo masaya sa friendship natin,
kasi
Kaya nga eh. Nung sinabi ko magkakaibigan tayo, parang nasira yung mukha nyo eh. Oo.
tayo.
Masaya sila guys, friends kami, swear.
Oo.
Baka ayaw nyo lang maniwala.
Namiss ko na lang tuloy yung mga natin.
Okay.
ako gusto ko lang din i-shoutout Queendom, especially si Ate Hannah, Ate Marian, and Ate Jessica, na siguro, kasi ako yung nauna sa AOS eh. Siguro mga 1 year, 2 years na ako sa AOS before they arrived. And nung mga, I kid you not, first 1 to 2 years nila sa AOS, hindi kami nag-uusap. Like, same dressing room kami, pero hindi kami nag-uusap. And that's because of me. Kasi nga, they try to speak to me, pero
Bisaya
talaga
kasi,
ako. Bisaya, di ko na, hindi. Like, pag magti-TikTok sila, tapos invite nila ako, tapos I'm in my own world lang talaga. I'm always, my nose is in a book, ganyan. Tapos, kudos to them, they never stopped trying. Until parang one day, sige, sama ako sa inyo. Tapos doon na siya, nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. And parang I could really say na I found sisters talaga. Kasi, grabe, I love them so much. And I'm so happy na they accepted me for who I am. For the quiet person I am.
Kasi tahimik talaga to eh. Like nung, ano mo yun?
Pamatay pa yung tingin eh.
Oo, yung parang,
Without trying to, that's just my face.
oo, yung parang feel mo ayaw kanya kausapin, ganun. Like,
Oo nga. Ngayon, sinabi ko magkaibigan tayo, yung mukha niya sa akin, di ko mati.
yung parang tayo, nag-light up na yung mga mata natin. Yes, friend!
Tumingin siya sa akin, sabi niya.
Oo, tapos,
Guys, this is just
pinanggit
me.
pa niya, Queendom.
Hindi kayo nabanggit, ano?
I love it. Kasi binanggit nyo na eh. They love ko
Sige,
kayo,
mag-explain ka.
Sige, ako magsha-shoutout naman ako. Shoutout ko rin, Sparkada.
Yes.
Kahit Sparkada, actually, di ko naman close na lahat ngayon. Pero there's still, pag magkasama kami sa work, may pa rin. May parang, same tayo.
May bakas ng kahapon.
Oo, parang, basta ka namin.
Yeah.
Grabe, ano nang ginagawa mo?
Kasi you have shared history.
Yeah. And ito, actually, para sa akin recently, Maka.
Oo, bro. I was about to say that.
Maka.
Grabe yung bond natin sa Maka. As in.
Not
Nalala ko
gonna
tuloy
lie.
yung pinarank niyo ako. Nalala ko pa yun. Iyak ako niyak nun, dude.
Umiyak ka sa prank namin.
Tulog ako nun eh. Tapos ginising ako, tapos pinarank ako.
Okay,
Parang
kwento na namin.
Maka,
Kwento na
yeah.
namin.
Shout out kay Maka.
Kwento na namin. Nangyari nito, may parusa-parusa kasi kami
Okay.
na ipaprank namin. So, ang parusa
Si
nun,
Ashley ba to? Oh.
Si Ashley may parusa dati. Ipaprank namin siya na tinatarayan siya ni Elijah.
Okay.
Nung nandun na kami lahat, tulog siya.
Ako na yung tulog.
Wala siya sa
Agad eh.
wala siya sa promo.
Oo.
Sabi na, asan si Josh? Tulog. Pare, oras na to. Iprank natin si Josh. So, doon na kami, ganun. Tapos kinontsaba namin buong prod. Buong prod
As in,
kinontsaba
buong prod,
na.
ah. Buong
Buong
prod.
prod, pati EP
Kasi
namin,
natita.
director, lahat.
Mga
PA
moms
and all
nila.
na, lahat
Pati
na.
moms. So, sabi niya, gisingin nyo na, gisingin nyo na. Kinising siya. Josh, hinahanap ka na dun. Pagpunta niya sa set to, bad trip kaming lahat.
Lahat bad trip. Inaayos ko pa yung pantalon ko. Pagpasok ko, nag-attack in pa ako. Sorry guys, sorry. Tapos pagpunta ko, they're all ready. Tapos nakasimangot sila sa akin. I'm like, whoa, what's happening?
Ano
You didn't wake me up. Pero yun sa isip ko, parang, oh, that minising yun naman ako.
Ano
But
pa
then-
sinabi namin sa'yo nun?
Hindi, last yung sinasabi niya, hinapir mo kasing gisingin, ganyan-ganyan.
Oh
Para-
my God.
At kaya natutulog dito, I'm like, whoa. Kaya tumahimik lang ako. Tapos nakakamat ulo na lang ako ganyan, no? Tapos, ayun.
Ay, di, ang pinaka nag-push on, parang naniwala na talaga siya nung lumapit siya sa EP namin. Lumapit siya sa
Pati
producer
si-
namin.
oo.
Ano nga sabi ni Sir Jobs sa'yo?
Napagsabihin ako nun, parang, hindi. Pumasok ka na dyan. Parang
Ginano siya ng
hindi,
EP namin.
tuloy mo na yung ginagawa mo. Sabi ko, hala, hate silang lahat sa akin. Kasi natutulog ako. Sabi ko, oh no. Yung next sequence ko naman, mamayang gabi pa. So mga 4 hours or mga 3 hours pa si ata. And I was like, wait, mali ba natulog ako? Parang yun yung sa isip ko.
Nagpapanik na siya sa
Nagalit
gilid.
sila lahat sa akin. Parang kinabahan talaga ako na parang, wow. Oh, totoo na to. Hindi to prank. Kasi pag sila, I was like, okay, this is a prank. Pumunta ko la direct. Pumunta ko la
Bad
sa
trip
aming
lahat.
EP. Bad trip lahat.
Pumunta ka na dun, may oras pa tayo.
Oo. Pumunta ka nun. Tapos hindi ako pinapansin, hindi ako ina-eye contact. Sabi niya, doon ka lang.
Oh, shucks.
Galit sa akin.
Diyos ko.
So pagbalik namin doon, ay.
Kailan ba namin ni-reveal na prank?
Nung kayo nila Elijah.
Ano sinabi na namin?
Zeph,
Nung
oo.
sinabi namin, naiyak siya.
Naka-video na, tapos nangiti na kami lahat. Parang sinasabi, so nga, ngiti nga kayo lahat. Parang sila Mitch,
Oo.
sila Mitch, ina-assert sila Elijah. Parang, huwag niyo na awayin si Josh, ganyan. Sean, huwag niyo na awayin si Josh. Ako natoy lang doon na ganyan. No?
No.
Tapos binidyo na ako, sige, take na. Hello guys, kami ang Mac, ganyan. And then, doon na nila sinabi, tinarank namin si Josh. I was like, what? Tapos tingin ako kay Sir Jobs. Ano nagawa sa akin to?
Tawa lang din sila, no?
Tawa na silang tawa. Sabi ko,
Grabe.
grabe yun.
That
Pero-
must have been a relief when you found
It
out.
was a
that.
relief,
I
of course.
can
Pero
feel
naiyak
that.
ako kasi,
Kaba.
I don't know why.
Oo.
Shock ako eh. Kaya,
Uy,
Ay,
pwede
grabe.
I
mag-add.
have to get them back.
Ano?
Yung bubble gang family ko,
Go, shout
before
out to
I wala lang kasi before parang it took a while din for me to warm up to them. Pero grabe ngayon, ang lala. Parang alam mo yung
Close ako
family
talaga
family na talaga like parang wala, pwede na mag-ayaan sa labas, bisita ng bahay ganito, ganyan, or condo, or yung stuff like that. So I love you guys.
Okay, ikaw, Tol. Baka may gusto ka pang i-shoutout aside sa mga kabarkada natin.
Ano, shoutout sa mga friend ko or sa showbiz?
Oh, sa showbiz.
Ay,
May
of
mga may
course
grupo
lahat.
kang gusto
Even Love
i-shoutout.
Love is naging close ako kila Mav. And
Yung Love
of
is
course,
niya.
ngayon, mas
Love
lalo na kami mas lalo na kami naging close kasi after Big Brother, he's the host and grabe, such a good guy. Even the twins, lahat sila sa Love is naging close ko talaga. Kaya I'm happy. Whatever.
Slay!
But every set, every taping ko, every show na nagaganapan ko, palagi ako may nagiging close. My Guardian, my Love is, sa Maka. As in,
Oo.
Mhm.
May lagi kang may Pokemon ka na dala.
oo, lagi may, okay, new friend. New
Acquired.
friend. Diba?
Ako din talaga sa AOS, di ko in-expect na magiging ka-close ko talaga si Kuya Raver, si Ate Jules,
Oh, yeah.
na kasi sobrang, alam mo yun, parang sobrang senior
Ang
kasi
bait
nila.
nila.
eh. Tapos yung parang Julie Raver na yun, ganyan. Tapos di ko in-expect. Pero isa sa pinaka hindi ko in-expect ever na magiging ka-close ko si Kailin.
Ako din.
And sinabi ko yun sa kanya the first time that we hung out. Di pa kami close nun, pero we were just parang in the same circle. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, natatakot ako sa'yo. Sinabi ko yun sa kanya, sabi ko, gusto kitang makausap pag nasa taping, pero parang natatakot ako sa'yo. Ganun. Tapos doon na nagsimula, and I did not expect na maging ganito kami ka-close.
Solid din si Kai, oo.
I love her
Super.
so much. I love you, Kai.
Rin. Di ka rin na-expect na Magiging friends kami ni Kai. Kasi, eto, di malalaman ni Kai ito. Dati nung nagsastart pa kami sa Sparkada, kasi di naman kakalat yan eh. Lalo na dati, late. Like, sino ba naman kami dati? Pero tinatanong ako syempre, sino yung pinakatakot ka na artista? Si Kai yung sinasagot ko dati.
Bakit?
Kasi wala nung
Aura
time na
niya
grabe
lang.
kasi.
Aura about her.
Oo. Ganun, tapos bigla nung nakilala ko, kanal pala. Kanal pala
Oo.
siya. Kanal pala siya. So, ayun,
Yes,
parang
sir.
wala lang.
Solid yun si Kaya, as in,
na-break
even on set.
na-break yung image ko
Yeah.
sa kanya. Ayun.
Yeah, bait.
Shoutout sa mga real friends namin.
Yes!
Love you guys.
Ito na. Ang last naman natin, ito naman, for the clout only. Ginamit lang for clout, low-key fake, para lang mag-trend.
Ooh.
Ooh. Alam nyo, yan palang yung balak kong gawin. Charot!
You gave me an idea. Thank you to this podcast.
Hindi kasi sabi nga nila na pag artista ka, parang, makipag-TikTok ka kay ganito, kay ganyan, or mag-content kayo. Never ko yun naisip. Kasi ako, I really, like, before, kung sino ako, that's what you get.
Yeah.
Hindi ko kaya talaga like plastikan talaga, like wala yun talaga natututunan ko ngayon na parang kailangan mo rin naman
Plastic
pala
na ng konti.
hindi siguro plastic
Biodegradable,
yung term.
semi.
Pero like yung kailangan mong maki-friends, maki-content, maki-collab,
Oo.
ganyan. Oo, para lang to make like to gain fans. Kasi sometimes yun yung sinasabi nila, this is the duo or the artist that yung parang like ganon, duo that we didn't know we needed. Yung mga ganon, na yung pala pwedeng masubaybayan ng mga tao at magugustuhan ng mga tao. So parang, I don't know, we'll see though.
We'll
It's
see.
hard for me.
It's hard, no?
Kaya rin di ako mapa-TikTok or mapa-post sa ibang tao. Kasi ayaw ko come across na ganun eh.
Yung parang FC,
Kasi syempre,
or
awak
parang
na-
clout chaser or
Yeah.
something. Parang,
Hirap na hirap ako mag-aya. TikTok? Parang, TikTok tayo.
oh Josh,
kasi-
mamaya TikTok tayo.
Ito na yun.
Oo, gano'n.
Pero of course,
Oo.
oo. Pero ako meron akong ganyan, pero hindi showbiz friend. Meron akong nagkaroon na hindi showbiz.
Non-showbiz friend.
Doon ko lang nalaman na, wait, he is following parang nag-chase na gano'n. Ng cloud.
Diba? Which is mahirap din.
Hirap din, yeah.
Pero sa amin naman din kasi sa industriyang to, pag nag-ayaan na, alam mo na yun. Alam mo na yun. Di mo na rin i-judge.
Yeah.
Medyo accepted
Oo.
practice naman.
Accepted
Pangit
practice.
Lang, negative lang kasi yung connotation ng word na
For
na,
clout only.
For
Oo.
clout, ganon. I think naman, kung sino yung mas nakakaangat kasi, parang tutulong ka din talaga sa those who are
course.
just starting out. Ganon.
Yeah.
Tsaka ako nari...
Collab nga yun collaboration.
Pag nagpo-promote ka ng something, parang matik na yun na parang, kunyari sa show, so makiki-TikTok ka kahit ng co-star mo or guest that day na di mo naman masyado kakilala. You both are doing it for the show naman.
Yeah.
May mutual na naman, parang kanaji ka lang talaga.
May mutual
Correct.
benefit. Oo.
Tsaka after naman nun, wala naman kayong gagawin sa isa't isa na masama, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang nag-content lang talaga kayo.
Ang
That's
pangit,
it.
ang pangit ng dyan pag yung may mga tao ng yung bigla kang nag-boom, tapos biglang sobrang chowmin yun na. Ikaw, tol, may na-experience ka. Lalo na ngayon, na lumabas ka na sa bahay ni Kuya. I'm sure na you're experiencing, syempre, attention now na ibang klase. So, kamusta naman yung mga friendships mo na gano'n? May mga tao bang
Ako, I'm
gumagano
very
sa'yo?
glad na I have a very close inner circle.
Mhm.
I have my best friend na ang laki ng pasasalamat ko sa kanya.
Mhm.
Siguro pwede naman yung shoutout na.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm really close with my really good mates, sila Alfonso, sila Soto. We're called like Mafia Oriental, yung grupo namin.
Mhm.
Silang lahat doon na I'm so glad to have them kasi they magkaibigan pa rin kami kahit before, nung hindi pa ako masyadong kilala. And now that they're seeing me like this, syempre nag-a-adjust na ako. I'm more on my phone na. I'm more like, parang more on my phone na. More on,
Good ba yun? Or
focus on work talaga.
Oo.
Focus on work. And magpasaya ng tao. And nakikita rin nila yun. And they're happy for me. Like, they're happy for me. Which is really nice to know. Kasi they're like my closest friends talaga yung grupo namin. Sila Enzo Leon, Irvin, Caleb, Alfonso, Paulo. Wala naman ako nakulang, no?
Go to yung
Shoutout
Pero
sa lahat,
sila
guys.
lahat, sila lahat.
Ikaw, gusto ko lang na i-ask kasi alam ko na parang there are people commenting on your post na ikaw na ginagamit mo si Esnir for clout, ganyan-ganyan.
Wow.
So what would you...
Ganon?
Yeah!
Shocks.
Now's your time to
Okay. O sige. Para sa akin, I don't know if nakita niyo yung post ko sa IG. Kaya ako siya pinost na ganun kasi nga nakakataga po ng ganung comments. And wala, ako naman gusto ko lang din bigyan ng attention yung mga taong yun. Kasi para sa akin, di naman kami ni Esnir yung highlight dun eh. It's about these people na tinulungan kaming dalawa.
Yeah.
It's about these people na di nyo makikita sa TV, di nyo man kilala.
Ayun rin yung kinukwento niyo sa loob.
Mm.
How thankful he is na magkakalala kayo. And sa prod nyo,
Mm.
sige yung magtutropa. He's
As
really
in-
happy kasi that's where he started to know how to edit,
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude, grabe.
which is really nice.
Grabe talaga na
Tsaka
parang...
hindi one way yung ano.
Oo.
Like both kayo, you
Oo.
guys mentioned each other.
Yeah.
Si
Yeah.
Esnir yung ano.
Oh, it was about that. It wasn't about na tinawag niya akong kung ano man.
Super
Oo.
pogi, super talino,
Oo.
super
Hindi ko
yaman.
pinifeel guys sa yung mga pinapaulit ko na sa satire, okay? Sinasakyan ko lang yung trip pa, okay? Pero yun nga, gusto lang namin na i-highlight sila. Sila yung dapat naming pasalamatan.
Yeah.
Kung wala yung mga taong yun, wala kami ni Esnir dalawa dito. Yun lang yun. So, guys, please follow nyo yung mga account nila and then sa post.
Oo.
Bigyan nyo naman
of
sila
course.
ng clout para sa ginawa nila para sa
Yeah.
amin. Ayun.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Josh.
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Solid na usapan. Grabe.
Oo.
At
Thank
gusto
you,
ko
bro.
lang din sabihin, guys, ito si Josh Rabin. Nakalala ko sa set ng Maka. Isa sa mga pinakamalalim at genuine na tao, ito si Josh Pare.
Thank you, bro.
Legit.
Appreciate it.
Legit.
Wow.
Oh,
Thank
Pagkausap
you guys.
nyo, may
Thank
ano
you,
to,
Josh.
may hugot yun si Josh Pare. May
May
laman na tao to si Josh.
Oo.
Kaya
Thank you.
maraming salamat. Thank you for joining us, Tol. Kaya naman
Thank you.
kung ano pang mga, saan ka namin makikita, ano pang mga gusto mong i-promote mo na.
Ano pang abangan
Ayan,
nila?
sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa akin, thank you. Abangan niyo po ang pagbabalik ko po sa Maka. Makasama ko si Sean.
Yes, sir!
Makasama ko si Sean. And of course, please always watch Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Dito na sa GMA para, to support my friends, mga housemates. Soon, makikita-kita na rin kami lahat sa Big Night. And abangan niyo yan, guys. Magkita-kita rin tayo doon. And yeah,
Ang bilis.
if you wanna get to know me
Grabe.
more, please follow my IG, my ex, Josh4321, and on TikTok, JoshyCosh101, and on Facebook, Josh Ford. So yeah, thank you. guys.
Maraming salamat, Josh, for joining us once again.
Pati rin sa mga Team Koshis, Team Kishes, sa mga zombies ko dyan, Josh Ford Empire, mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat sa. And I can't wait to see you guys all soon.
Yan! Yes! Pero kami naman, mga ka-triggered, mahuhuli nyo kami ulit sa ATM YouTube channel, Apple Podcast, Spotify, Audible, and ATM official Facebook page every Friday, 7 p.m. And also, please follow our official TikTok account. That's triggered_ATM. At kapag na-miss nyo naman pag Friday, mapapanood nyo rin kami sa Kapuso stream every Sunday, 3 p.m. Bye, mga ka-trigger! That's it!
Guys, thanks, Josh.
Thank you.
See you next
Just
time.
Cafe
Let's
and
go.
Sean.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Josh.
Bare. Thank you for the
Thank
time.
you.